So you said your cars, your doors is designed for what?
Rolls Royce, Ferrari, Porsche.
Tap in. All right, y'all. This is what I came to China for. I came to China for all of the razzle dazzle and the new technology. So we have this garage door that opens sideways with the door. All right. Lights, camera. Look at this door. This could be your garage door. Open it up sideways. Look at it. And I know you guys can't really hear it, but the sound is not really loud, right? And they even have like a little cutout door. So let's see if I can I open this door?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's go. Oh, oh, wait a minute. Look at the hinges here. Look at the hinges on this bad boy here. I mean, wow.